Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to find and how to navigate the Binance PnL page, also known as the Binance Profit and Loss Overview page. Binance's PnL page is quite hard to find, so the first thing you need to do is to go over to Wallet and click on Find and Spot. You'll then be sent over to the Find and Spot page of Binance. Here you will see the fiat balance, the crypto balance, and in general just an overview of your wallet. And right here, you will see yesterday's PnL. So if you want to see your profit and loss page, you need to click on this arrow right here. You'll then be sent over to the spot profit and loss analysis. Here you can see the estimated balance, yesterday's PnL, and your 30-day PnL. You can see your cumulative PnL, your asset allocation, your daily PnL, your asset net worth, and your profits. You can also select the period of time you're looking at. This can be 7 days, 30 days, or a custom time period. If, for whatever reason, you don't want people to see the amount of dollars worth in your wallet, you can click on Hide Balance, and the asset allocation and the profits will all be still visible, but the total amount of dollars won't be shown. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.